changing the G35 battery. So this was on here. Unscrew it, take it out. Boom. I'm changing my terminal. I put some WD-40 right there. It's a 12mm. Broke that off real quick. So I'm gonna take that off, replace it. And then you also want to take this piece off right here, like that was here. It's a little hole right there. You know, hook it and slide it out. Boom. You already know the cover right there. Take that off too. So let me do that real quick. And remember to take the negative off first, then the positive. Then when you put it back together, put the positive and then put the negative. And I'm about to crank it up. Okay, so right here, and this lining is gonna be tabs. You gotta put the tabs. You'll see it. You'll see it. You put the tabs in between. That's the old one. That's the new one. Everything back hooked up. So the way I did it was, when I was trying to take this off, I took this off first. When I was trying to take this off, it wouldn't come off, you know? So I put it back on, tightened it, and then unscrewed it, boom. So when you put it back on, tighten this first, and then tighten this.